To get 4D wallpapers like this one right here, so as you can see, it is a 4D wallpaper, and we can get something like that by downloading an app on our phone. So this app is called Grubble, Grubl, and you can find it on Google Play Store. I will show you real quick how to get it. So we need to open Google Play Store. In the search, just type in Grubble. And this app is great as it's not invasive with different ads, so that's why I'm using it throughout any other apps with 4K wallpapers. So 4D wallpapers, sorry. So open this app, and then when it's ready, you will need to allow the permissions that it will ask for, and after that we can go into 4D tab, Live 4D right here. Select whichever one you like. For example, we can go for this one, and then we can click on the wallpaper itself. Click on OK, and that way our wallpaper will change to this 4D wallpaper. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.